How to remove filter from Snapchat picture photo. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to remove filters from Snapchat pictures or not. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, take a photo or video that you'd like to remove the filter of, and then simply keep swiping until you see the original unfiltered version of your snap. This immediately removes the filter. Removing a filter from a saved snap or memories or camera roll, do not let you remove it directly within the app. The filter becomes a permanent part of the image. But you can use some photo editing apps like Snapseed, Adobe Lightroom, or PixArt can help lessen the filter's impact. Use tools such as brightness, contrast, saturation, or the healing brush to adjust the photo and soften the filter's effect. If you apply the filter using your device Photos app, you might need to revert to the original. Now to save the original snap before adding a filter, you need to keep options open like take a snap. Now tap the save icon before you start swiping through the filters. And this saves the original unfiltered photo to your memories or camera roll. Now you can swipe and use filters in it. Then after, save the photo. Snapchat filters only apply when swiping before saving, so save the original first if you might want to remove the filters later. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.